So here I'm going to show you how to get the last character of a string. So if you look in cell A1 over here, you can see that it says this is a test string. So we're going to get the last character of that string. So if we create a subroutine, so get last character. And how we do it is dim string, and we're going to set that variable to the value of the range A1. So str string equals range A1 dot value. So the value that is in cell A1 is now assigned to the variable str. So to get the last character, let's say we'll print it into cell C1. So we can go range C1 dot value equals right. It's the right function, str, and the last character is coming one character in from the right of that string. It's going to paste the G into here. There you go. If you wanted to get the last 3 characters, just change the 1 to a 3 and run it again. And that's it, how it's done. Easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.